Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. It's Friday. First question. What do you do when someone asks to cancel their order after you've shipped? I'm afraid they'll open a case against me. Help. Okay, so this actually happened to me recently. Somebody asked to cancel something after I had already mailed it out. And they said there was an accident, but I don't think I buy that because they sent me an offer. And after I accepted the offer, they changed their shipping address. So I'm like, by accident, do you mean like you're having buyer's remorse? Because you should just say that. So that happened to me recently. And actually the item is still like in transit. But I am nervous that they will open up a case. I've had that happen to me before. I sold something, the exact same thing. I sold something, somebody asked to cancel, it was already out. I had already shipped it out, it was already out. I couldn't, like, you can't track something down. Once you send it to the post office, you can't like track it down, be like, hey, can I have that back? Just kidding. Like you can't do that. Then they got the package, it was a pair of shoes. They got it and they opened up a case against me saying it was damaged. And it wasn't damaged. The fucking asshole damaged the shoes because they, I don't know, changed their mind. I don't know what their deal was, but they didn't want the shoes. So they damaged the shoes. And then of course they won because the shoes weren't fucking damaged when I sent them to them. They damaged the damn shoes. So yeah, they won, sent the shoes back to me. I cleaned them up. I ended up selling them again, but for less because they were damaged. That was shitty. So yeah, we'll see if this person does the same thing. I hope they don't. But we'll see, and I'll keep you guys posted. But yes, that has happened to me, and I mean, unfortunately, once you mail it out, again, it's out of your control. There's nothing that you can do, and the person has to realize that. Next question, when do you send offers to likers? As soon as someone likes an item, or do you wait until you get a certain number of likes, or do you only send an offer when they bundle, trying to figure out the best strategy? Thanks. So I kind of change my strategy on this often, actually. So I like sending offers as soon as somebody likes something because I feel like they're on the app, they obviously like it. I feel like they're more apt to buy it in that moment. Although some people, might like something and then come back on like payday and purchase it. Most of the time I like to send offers to likers as soon as somebody likes something. I don't wait until I get a certain amount of likes. What was your other question? Or do you send an offer only when they bundle? So no, I don't send an offer only when they bundle. Definitely if somebody just likes something, I will send them an offer. And I do send offers on bundles. I get people bundling things all the time and then they're just kind of like, meh, oh, you made a bundle. And it's like, what are you doing? You're not doing anything. So I send them an offer. So yeah, I change my offers to liker strategy often. And I don't know. No, I do know. I feel like I have more luck when I send the offers immediately. Hey, Vanessa, I have a couple of would you evers. Oh, okay. Would you ever hire an employee? Yes, I would. I'm actually looking to hire someone hopefully this summer to help with photographing and listing. So yes, I would absolutely hire an employee. Would you ever get office space? Maybe. Okay, so I've got a little boy right here. He is not wanting to nap today, which is fine because he slept 8 hours and 25 minutes straight last night. So you know what? If he wants to sleep that long, he's got his arm like up in the air. If he wants to sleep that long at night and not really have good naps during the day, I'm fine with that. What were we talking about? Oh, getting office space. I mean, if we run out of room at our house, and if I scale or if we scale, because my husband resells too. And I can see us getting an office in the future. Maybe. All right, next one was, would you ever take super lowball offers? It really depends on the item. I actually sold, what did I sell the other day? Oh, a Victoria's Secret shirt the other day for $8. That was a lowball offer. And I just took it because I had it for a while. So if it was something that I've had for a while and I got it for cheap enough, yes, I will take lowball offers. Yeah, that's really the only reason why I would. I don't take them on the reg. Next question, what are your thoughts on mystery boxes? As far as hair, he's got bedhead. As far as buying mystery boxes off of Poshmark, I don't do that. But like mystery, well, I mean, I guess I don't really buy mystery boxes from like other websites anymore. I was buying boxes from like Goodwill, Jomar, B&G, I can't even talk. Honcho Wholesale. I'd actually purchase from them again. And maybe B&G. Not Joe Mara though. I've had bad experiences with Joe Mara. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not really into mystery boxes anymore because oh my gosh, I just realized I don't have my nails painted. Like, this is rare, Vanessa, not having painted nails. Rarity. Yeah, I don't really purchase mystery boxes anymore just because I like to know what I'm getting. You know, I mean, maybe like every once in a while, but for the most part, no. And I don't really trust people on Poshmark to purchase mystery boxes. So many horror stories of people getting ripped off. So yeah, mystery boxes, I mean, I have purchased them before, and it's not something that I purchase on the regular. We're talking about the regular, doing stuff on the regular, and that's not something that I do. Next question. Do you ever run sales like name your price or 5 for 25, something like that? I have before. I have done a couple name your price sales. One was really, really successful, and the other one was a total bust. So yeah, I mean, I haven't run a sale in a while. Thinking about doing a buy one get one, like buy one get one 50% off sale sometime soon. I don't know, we'll see. But I have run sales, and again, talking about stuff I do on the regular. It's not something I do on the regular, but I have done it before. But like I said, I am looking to run a buy one get one 50% off sale soon. Oh, I didn't mean to wake you up. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go. I got people texting me. Yeah, I'm gonna go snuggle this little boy. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. You can send me a DM on Instagram, or you can tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.